So while we got these out, I'm gonna go and explain what a male and a female end is. This is your male end of your Christmas lights, and this is gonna be your female end. So here in a minute, when I start referencing female and male ends, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Male, female. Great. If you're here, you're trying to build a flagpole Christmas tree. I have been getting a lot of requests of how I do my daisy chaining. That means putting my lights together in a series or plugging them in together. How do I do that? All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the most efficient way that I found to do this. This is for the 20-foot telescoping flagpole that I use. This is the way that I do it, and it works great for me. So first, for the 20-foot flagpoles, I like to use the 66-foot strands. You can use whatever you want. This is just what I find to work nice for my applications, okay? And then I like to use at least two 33-foot strands. Using at least, now you can use all 33-foot strands if you want. You can use one, two, it doesn't matter, okay? I like to use at least two of them because it's gonna give me the upper and downer that I need, and it's gonna give me a power point right here to plug my stars into, or my star. So it gives me a nice power point there. I don't have to run an extension cord up the pole. It works out great, okay? So then what I do is I like to plan my light layout, and here's the best way I found to do that. First, know where your power source is coming from. So let's say this is my extension cord here. That's my power plug, okay? My first light's gonna be laid out like this. I like to do triangular pattern, like so. And since I know that this is my power point, this is going to be the plug-in part, or the male part of my Christmas light. So this is where my male end is going to begin. Strand number one, and let's just go ahead and write that down here, number one. Male end, and this is the female end, okay? Now with this second strand, strand number two, this one's going to be male and female. So that way we can plug this male end into this female end right here. Boom, boom, okay? We're gonna repeat this process all the way around. I'm gonna go and do it one more time here. So this is going to be our male, and this will be our female. Okay, boom, plugged in there. We just repeat this process over and over. Well, I'm no artist, okay? So over and over, over and over and over. Male, female, yada, yada, yada. After that's done, you're then going to drape your lights over the Christmas light adapter that you got at jaddyco.com, and we thank you very much. And just like that, I'm gonna put a clip at the end of this video of me doing this outside, and I hope you guys learned something from this. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will do my best to answer them in a timely manner. So again, thank you for checking us out. Thank you for getting on our website and purchasing stuff. We really appreciate it, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas, and God bless.